Let's check the GPU usage between Phi-4 Mini Reasoning with 3.8 billion parameters running locally with Ollama and BitNet B1.58-2 B-4T with 2 billion parameters with a simple prompt. Why doesn't the moon fall into the Earth despite gravity? Here, Phi-4 Mini Reasoning is using a significant amount of GPU. Let's check with BitNet. BitNet is not using GPU. That's great. The GPU usage is coming from OBS screen recording. That's why BitNet leaves a low memory footprint, low energy consumption, and ideal for resource-constrained environments. Here I have made a general comparison of GPU usage. On the left, Phi generated output very fast, but with more GPU power. On right, BitNet took more time, but with significant less GPU power. BitNet demonstrates a good conceptual grasp, but suffers from excessive repetition and formatting breakdown, suggesting a less optimized tokenizer or weaker instruction tuning. Phi-4 Mini, on the other hand, delivers a technically correct and efficient response, albeit too concise for a curious learner. For educational or production use, Phi-4 shows better alignment and output quality, while BitNet may require prompt tuning or post-processing for clarity. Are you interested in setting up Ollama or BitNet? Just drop a comment.